Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sanibonani bangani bami. Sanibonani weyithando. Hey, angaze ngibe nje emoyeni wami. Mama, yabona nje, I'm very down. I wish I wasn't a South African. I wish I was from somewhere else. Why la South Africa sizilima kangaka? Why are we very stupid? Why sivuma ukusetshenziswa ngabantu to destroy our own country? Why sivuma ukusetshenziswa ngabantu to ukuwisa umnotho? Ibafethu, nawabonile ama-truck amile laphana nawo eborder yaseMozambique. Lama-truck lawa athwele ama-export and import. La umnotho wethu ulele khona, ngoba la ngaphakathi singababona siyathenga thina ko-Shoprite, siyayifaka i-VAT, that is rubbish. Umnotho wethu ulele kakhulu kuma-export. If lawa ma-truck emile kanjeyana laphaya, which means imali engenayo eSouth Africa nayo imile, ngoba phela ama-export lawaya imali ama-goods ekufuna ahambe kungene imali. Umnotho ulele kuma-exports. If once ama-export adelay like that, umnotho uyawa. Umnotho ulele ku-exchange of goods. The more we sell out ama-goods and products, the more sithola imali, kukhuphuka ini umnotho. I-gross domestic product yethu, GDP, ilele kuma-goods esiwakhiphayo. Mile manje umsebenzi laphayana, and obumile lo msebenzi laphayana, the people who are driving those trucks, no work no pay, bahleli mahala laphayana emngceleni. Njengoba umile lo msebenzi, labantu labahleli laphana behleli mahala, le emuva emafemini la kwenziwa khona lawa ama-product nalawa ama-goods ekufuna aphume ayele ngaphandle, uzoma umsebenzi. Ngeke phela kube kuproduce kodwa kungadayiswa. Kufuna umsebenzi. Uma umsebenzi bayadilizwa. Boza kuthiwa ikhampani ethile idiliza abasebenzi abathile, new unemployment. Ezini ngathi singake masenze izinto sisebenzisa umqondo, siyayithanda imali. Laba baba laba nje nale ntombazanyana lena bathengwe ngemali ukuthi abadestroye, babulale yonke into. Zophela le madlana yabo. Nisibulalela izwe bafethu, nibadala maningaka. Tata ungizwa, tata uphala umthakathi, nomama wenu, ayinibadala bafethu. Anibadala bafethu ngeke. Sekuthi manje angikhulume straight ngisho nje nibadala bafethu ngeke. Kuba ngimncane ngana nje kumina but ingqondo ngiyisebenzisa. I think. Angicabangelanga muntu lento eniyenzayo. Nibadala bafethu ngeke. Ngeke bafethu ngeke sekwanele. Bangakanani labantu enizobaqedela imisebenzi yabo Lawa amafemu amile manje azoma amafemu ngoba one ama-truck angenayo ekufuna maybe amikise izinto ezizosebenza laphiyana kulawa mafemu ukuze abantu baqhubeke basebenze amile nawo ngale Mozambique awangeni, which means kwenzekalani bazodiliza abasebenzi. Lama-truck amele laphana no pay. iBotswana nayo iqalile nayo ivala wayo ama-border post, which means abantu abaphumayo ngekufuna uma ingavala neZimbabwe kuphelile. Abanye ngicabanga ukuthi South Africa is rich inolwandle. That's nonsense. Ulwandle lana sidlo fish ngani la, sidlo fish la. Uma ngabe kuthathwa imithwalo ama-truck ehamba ayako Malawi eyako Namibia andlula through iZimbabwe, if iZimbabwe nayo ingavala ama-border post wayo kuphelile. Niwisa umnotho. Sasa nizobe nimemeza la nangey'tradini nithi ayikhale akuyo ayikhale ngoba uhulumeni unjanjanyana nidlala ngohulumeni kube kuyinina enwisa umnotho wala South Africa. Ukuba selfish kweni, greedy. Yabafethu ngeke anizame enye indlela yokwenza imali, anizame enye indlela. Musani ukuthi ngoba nina niyadla emizini yenu endlini zenu niyadla bese niyocedela abanye isinkwa. Bayasebenza labantu abadrayiva ama-truck, amafemu la basebenza kona la kudinga khona lezi zinto, labantu bayasebenza labayana. Umnotho ezikuma lama-truck nawo uyehla, uyawa futhi ngeke wehle uzowa phansi ngoba azoma neZimbabwe nayo izovala ama-border post wayo. There will be no export. Ahleni guys ngeke. Why sifundeke kakhulu ey'kolweni bese sifunde kancane engqondweni? Ingqondo ivele ingafundi. Kufunde isikolo sifunde sibethwala iziqu kodwa ingqondo sifundela ukuphasa, sifundela ukwazi. Why? Hey guys, I'm so ashamed of you guys. You're selfish, greedy. Nicabangela nina senithengelwa ingqongqo zemoto nigidela phezulu, nihambela phezulu. What about labantu abalaphayana? Ni selfish.
This Zulu man right here is calling out Phakela Mthakathi Nongiso to say, guys, it's enough now. You have done enough damage. Can you please stop? And what he is saying, there is this other man, I think his TikTok account is called The Comeback. Yes, I don't know if it's correct, but you can just go and check on TikTok. He's also in this business industry as well, this truck industry as well. And he have been calling South Africans for the longest time now to say, guys, please stop. Because if you continue doing like this, Zimbabwe will close its border post, and also Mozambique, which these are the routes that we use as South African truck drivers. We use this route to pass to or go to other countries, obviously, to deliver those foods. And guess what? They're not delivering those foods for free. Obviously, these other African countries, they buy those foods from South Africa. So he have been calling them out to say, please stop. And now this man right here is also doing the same thing, which, yes, I do agree with him 100% to say, just stop, because this is really going to get out of hands. We see recently there are South African celebrities who were supposed to go and perform in Zimbabwe. And guess what? People from Zimbabwe stood their ground and said, nope, you are not coming this side. Zimbabwe is for Zimbabweans, which now we can see the damage that this whole March and whatever program you can call it has caused already for South Africans. It's really bad, and it's still going to get really, really bad. So many people are losing their jobs, and I don't know. I really don't know, because yes, there are also other people that have gotten jobs, which is a very positive one. But like, what is it? I don't even know how to put this, because some people are getting jobs and then so many people are losing their jobs, which is very, very bad.